Hi, today in front of me Oppo A1 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So open first the Google application, tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Then tap to voice section and click to voice mode. To activate Hey Google option, tap once on the switcher, click to more, I agree, and say OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. Then just tap to next, not now, and we could see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.